In this video, we are going to see how we can check the current Google Chrome version, and also we will learn how we can update to the latest version of Google Chrome. So it is a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, I have opened up the Google Chrome, whatever website it is, it's Google. So let's click on these three dots, and here at the bottom you will see help, and it says about Google Chrome. So this will allow you to see what current version are you using. So I'm in the settings. Google Chrome version is version 141.0.7390.108 by the time we were watching this video. And also it says Chrome is up to date, but let's say that if you're using the older version, you will get this update option from here. You can just click on this and get the latest version of Google Chrome. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.